Welcome to the ultimate river tubing adventure at Pakarazan River. Gear up with your life jacket and helmet as our friendly team preps you for a day of fun and excitement. Let's make unforgettable memories. Our guides ensure you're all set for this thrilling experience. Hop on our shuttle and enjoy the scenic ride through Bali's lush countryside to the starting point. Travel through charming villages, vibrant markets, and stunning rice fields. Feel the anticipation build as you descend into the serene river valley.
Before we start the tubing adventure, we need to safety briefing first with our guide.